Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on Google Forms. As you may know from the title of the video, yes, we're going to be discussing how you can add negative markings in Google Forms. Normally, Google Forms doesn't have the specific function to add negative markings. However, with the help of the ExtendedForms add-on, we can achieve that. Let's see how users can achieve that in this video. Open Google Forms. We have already created a sample quiz here. And from Settings, I have enabled the Make This a Quiz option. Note: your form has to be converted to a quiz to be able to use the negative marking feature. Then, you can choose the default point values for all questions. However, I can add different point values for each question from the question field itself. As you can see, in the question field, click on the answer key and add point values and a correct answer. Just like that, I have done for each question in the forms. Moving forward, after the point values are added, we will configure extended forms. I click on the puzzle shape icon. That is, the add-ons option. Then go to ExtendedForms, click on Configure, and a settings box will appear. Note: if you see the attention needed warning, then click on the Fix settings. Then from the settings, I get to configure how I want to share the form, set a time limit for the quiz, and restrict attempts. Once I have done all that, I will save the configurations. Then, to move to the ExtendedForms dashboard from where we will add negative markings, click on Responses. It opens the form's main settings. I'll click on the three dots icon, then Form Settings. Under the Advanced Assessment field, enable the negative marking option. Once I enable that, I will get below the option to set the negative marks. Below that, you can see the Exclude Empty Answers option. If I want to exclude empty answers from negative markings, then I'll enable this setting, as I did here. Click on the update to save the settings. Go to Preview, and get started with the quiz. Once I submit the quiz, I can check the score immediately by clicking on View Score. As you can see, each wrong answer has been negative marked, and total points are shown above. There are other ways to view scores. If you want to again check scores, go to the ExtendedForms Responses, and your response option below every response submitted. Click on it, and it will lead you to that specific form response score. And that's it. This is how Google Forms users can add negative markings to their quizzes with the help of ExtendedForms. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like our videos, then please like this video, and leave your comments below on what else would you like to see related to Google Forms.